ओके अब ना बेटा देखो बेटा ये क्वेश्चन को ज़रा देखें. द डायग्राम शोज द ट्रेपेजियम and the trapezium is OPQR. O is the origin, O to R is A and O to P is equals to B. They say that R to Q is 3 by 5 of OP. So I can say that very clearly that R to Q magnitude, it would be 3 by 5 of B. So I can say that this is 3 by 5 of B. Okay, find PQ. So beta P to Q vector would be Q to R plus R to O plus O to P. So beta Q to R would be negative 3 by 5P, negative 3 by 5B, plus R to O would be negative A, and O to B is plus B. And we know this that minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 would be 5 is the denominator, so that would be minus 3 plus 5, so that would be 3 by 5. So that would be 3 by 5b negative a, that is the final answer. 3 by 5b negative a. Alright, so that we have 3 by 5b negative a. Now they say that P to Q and QR are extended and they intersect at Y. So P to Q and OR are extended. तो PQ और OR को मैं extend कर रहा हूँ like this, and they meet at Y. So that would be Y. Okay, now they want to find the position vector of W. So position vector of W, okay, यहाँ पे इसका नाम W है. So position vector of W would be OW. So first of all we need RW as well. हमें RW की भी ज़रूरत है. So we can see that we have two similar triangles in front of us. First of all we need to understand is that there is a scale factor thing. ठीक है, so there is a scale factor thing absorbed here. Like for example there is a one triangle here which is WRQ, and the one is the bigger triangle, okay, which is WOP. Here it is 3 by 5 of B and it is B. So we need to find out the ratio here first of all. So that this is 3 by 5 ratio 1. So we need to simplify this. हमें इसको थोड़ा simplify करना है कि that 3 by 5 क्या चीज़ होता है. We know that 3 by 5 is 0.6 ratio 1. तो 0.6 ratio 1 का हमें मतलब क्या है, हमें इस चीज़ को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए हमें इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. तो हम इसको दोनों साइड पे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. तो ये मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 करते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा बेटा 6 रेशो 10, और सिंप्लीफाई करूँ तो ये आ जाएगा बेटा 3 रेशो 5 इज़ द रेशो बिटवीन दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स. Okay, that is 3 ratio 5. Now for example we need to find out OW. We know that OW would be what? OW, we know that this little part it has this thing. So for example this is for example X. So now we know this that this complete would be the bigger triangle has 5 ratio 3. It means इसका मतलब ये है बेटा कि ये 5 ratio 3 के दरमियान में ट्राइंगल्स जो है ना ये मौजूद हैं आपस में. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें इसको फाइंड आउट करना है OW को. OW को हम लोग रेशियो से निकालेंगे. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो दैट A plus X that is A and that is X. So we know that A plus X is equals to 5. हमें ये पता है कि A plus X जो है ये 5 के बराबर है. ओके, और हमें RW का नहीं पता, हमें सिर्फ ये पता है कि RW जो है, और ये हम लोग यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इसको इस तरीके से लिख भी सकते हैं, इसको इस तरीके से रेशो एनालिसिस से लिख भी सकते हैं कि OW इज़ इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? OW इज़ इक्वल्स टू OR प्लस RW. सो बेटा OR इज़ व्हाट? OR इज़ A विच इज़ गिवन टू अस, एंड हमें RW को फाइंड आउट करना है. तो दैट वुड बी A plus X. That would be A plus X. So beta we need to understand this. We know that this line is something like in this position. Please pay attention. O, that would be R, and that would be W. Okay, now we know that the total is 5. So this A is equals to 2 by 5 and this X is equals to 3 by 5. Let's find out RW. So RW would be RW, that is the working for the RW. So A is equals to 2 by 5 and X is equals to 3 by 5, cross multiplication. So that would be A multiplied by 3 by 5 is equals to 2X divided by 5. I can cancel 5 मैं 5 को स्ट्रेट अवे कैंसिल कर सकता हूँ. तो ये हो जाएगा 3A इज इक्वल्स टू 2. तो ये आ जाएगा बेटा 3A इज इक्वल्स टू 2. थोड़ी जगह नहीं है, मैं यहीं पे करता हूँ अभी, ठीक है. तो ये यहाँ पे मैं इसकी वर्किंग को प्रोसीड कर रहा हूँ. तो 3A इज इक्वल्स टू 2X डिवाइडेड बाई 2 ऑन बोथ साइड. तो 2 कैंसिल. सो X इज इक्वल्स टू 3 बाई 2A. So X is equals to 3 by 2A. So 3X is equals to 3 by 2A. So that would be 3 by 2A. So 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5A or 5 by 2A. That would be the answer for this question.